Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this beautiful 3D quilling Radha. She is a best friend of Lord Krishna, and I am going to show you the showpiece of Krishna and Radha in my next video. So this video is only for the cute quilling Radha. Everything is handmade and it's looking super pretty. So without any delay, let's get started. So first I'm starting with making the face. For this I'm taking 5 strips of peach color 3mm and I'm making one tight coil. So this is done, just add glue at the end and secure it. In the same way I have created one more tight coil using 5 strips of black color 3mm and the diameter of both the tight coils should be same. Now using my quilling mold I am just shaping both the tight coils and making a dome shape. Add glue inside both the domes and connect with each other. So the face is ready. Now here I have created one more tight coil using 6 strips of peach color 3mm for the upper body and I am quickly making one more dome. And this deeper dome I have created using 6 strips of blue color 3mm. And the base should be flat for this. So height of this dome is 1.5 centimeters and the diameter of base should be 1.5 centimeters. Okay. Now I am going to join both the domes with each other. Now I am taking half strip of peach color 3mm and making one small ring for neck. Just connecting neck with the body and then I am just attaching the face on top of the neck. Here I have created one tight coil using 3.5 strip of peach color 3mm. Just add glue and connect this tight coil on the bottom part of the upper body. Now I am starting with the hands. For this I am taking one strip of 5mm blue color and I am making one cone shape. Like this. Just add glue inside the cone. And I'm just wrapping one golden color 3mm strip around the edge of this for the sleeve decoration. Like this. And here I have created one more cone using one strip of 3mm peach color. And now I am showing you how to create bangle. For this I am taking half strip of blue color 3 mm and making one small ring just we have created for the neck. In the same way I have created one more bangle using half strip of pink color. Now I'm joining both the bangles. And then I'm connecting these bangles with the hand. So this is done. In the same way I have created one more pair. Now I'm starting with the palm. For this I'm taking one strip of peach color 3 mm and making one tight teardrop shape. So palm is also ready. Now to decorate the lehenga or ghagra I am taking one pink and half blue color 10 mm strips and just creating one long cone. The height of this cone is 8 centimeters. Now quickly I'm adding glue inside the cone and spreading it using brush. So in total we need 11 cones. Now I'm just decorating the edge of this cone using golden color 3 mm strip. So this is done. Now to create the base of the lehenga I am taking this red color cardstock which is having 8 centimeter radius. So using 8 centimeter radius I have just cut one semicircle red cardstock and now I am making one cone shape using my fingers. Just secure it using glue. And then I will start adding these long cones one by one with this cardstock cone. So after adding all the cones it will look like this. Now I'm just connecting the upper body with the ghagra using little glue. Now here I have created one juda using 3 strips of black color 3 mm. I have created one dome shape and our doll is looking like this after adding the ghagra. Super pretty. Now I'm just attaching the juda on back side of the hairs. Like this. Then I am showing you how to create ears and nose. For this I am taking 1/4 strip of peach color. I have just cut my 3 mm strip from center to create a thin strip. Now making a teardrop shape. In the same way we need total 3 teardrops, 2 for ears and 1 for nose. So I'm just attaching the nose and ears. like this. Then here I have decorated some features. So for eyes and bindi, I have used my 2 mm hole punch machine. I just cut the black and red paper and created the lips using red paper. I have just cut one triangle shape, and for eyebrow I have used my black marker. Now I am going to make a dupatta. For this I am taking 1/4 strip of blue color 5 mm. Just add glue on both the tips and start connecting the dupatta from juda to lehenga like this. So after adding all the strips, it will look like this. Now in front I have added some strips like this. So I will quickly show you how to do this. It's very easy. Just add glue in the front and on the juda. Just curl your strip little bit and stick it like this. It will give very nice style of wearing the dupatta, which usually ladies wear in village, and it looks very nice. Now I'm showing you how to create gajra. For this I'm taking half strip of pink color. I have just folded in half, and now I'm just weaving it like this from all four direction till the end of the strip. Now just release it and you will get this cute gajra. So in the same way I have added the gajra here around the juda, and also I have decorated it with some stone and stone chains. I have added jewelry using some ball chains, and the jhumka is made using 1/4 strip of pink color. Then I have added jewelry on back side, on the waist area, and you can add the gajra on the sides as well if you wish. Now I am starting with making the matka. For this I have created this big tight coil using 6 strips of 5 mm brown color, and now I am making the upper part of the matka. For this I am taking my spray bottle, which is having 1/2 inch diameter, and I have joined total 4 strips of brown color 5 mm, and I'm just wrapping it around the cap of this bottle to create a ring tight coil. So this is done. The diameter of both the shapes should be same. Now using my quilling mold, I am making mold for both the shapes and connecting with each other after applying glue. like this. Now to create the upper part of matka or pot, I am taking one strip of 5 mm brown color and randomly creating one ring. And I'm going to stick this on top of the pot like this. So the matka is ready. I have decorated this using some white and golden markers, and in the center I have added golden strip. Now I'm just connecting the matka with the Radha. And then I'm attaching hands. So here I have connected both the cones with each other like this. So first I'm adding my one hand, hold it for some time. Then take another hand, first connect the sleeve only. It will be easier to attach the sleeve first. So I'm adding with the shoulder and with the matka, and then I'm taking the another cone which is a peach color cone, and then I'm just covering the matka with the hand. So here I have attached both the palm as well with the hands, and the cute quilling Radha is ready. She is looking very pretty. I have added the stone chain in the front part as well to decorate the lehenga a little bit more. So stay tuned for the part 2 where I will show you how to create the very attractive quilled Krishna and a complete showpiece. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.